just a short one today, and that is that. Next time you see this, it'll be a nice beautiful red, and let me get this magnetic cover that goes on here, that'll be on there, upholstered red as well. We're at Ferrari. We're on a side quest today while I'm working. We've got McDreamy's speaker box here. As you can see, I've already got some expanding foam in here blocking off a couple of ports because we had to clearance this, and it actually joins the volume. It's not going to be much of a difference. This isn't going to be a award-winning stereo system. It's just going to sound good. We've got a Alpine amp over here. We've got some Kicker mid-range, and we've got some Kicker L7 Slimline 10s, 4-ohm dual voice coil. So to run these with this amp, because we can't wire these up to be 2-ohm stable, but we can wire them up 4-ohm stable, so that's how I'm going to wire them. And this is going to be our project for today. I actually have our upper and lower radiator hoses made. We were going to do Dakota Digitals yesterday, but we need some extra parts that we don't have right now. So we're going to start by laying out the amp, drilling the holes to mount that, drilling the holes for the speakers, and I'm going to wire everything in here, and then this is getting sent off for upholstery so it matches the interior of the truck. So this will be a fun little side project. Okay, so we got our 10 cubed subs mounted. I've got my amp mounted. I mounted it this way because it'll be easier to run the speaker wires and the power wires down here, and that way it leaves my adjustments up top for easy access. So now we're going to mount the mid-ranges. I got to modify these though. So these are going to mount in here like this. There we go, like that. Let me point you at them. They give you these outside grills. Hold on, 2 hands. There we go. They give you the outside grills, so we're going to mount them like this. So I'm going to actually trim off this outside tab and that outside tab and use the top and bottom tabs with these to mount them here. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Would have been nicer if they had a different internal mount for this one and basically made it a 3 mount, but they didn't, so you're not even going to notice that once this whole thing's upholstered and everything anyways. Now I'm going to get to the other side. Alright, I'm good with how those came out. I like them. They're going to look good. It's going to look much better when it's all one color. I'm going to start running some speaker wires. So today I'm going to wire in, obviously, everything that's in the box. So the only thing that will be passing speaker wires out of this box to is the front kick panel speakers. We are also running 3.5-inch speakers in the dash on this truck, but those are going to be powered just off of the head unit itself. So all the main speakers are going to be powered off of this amp. Well, we are wired as far as the speakers are concerned. So what I do now, or what I did with these subs, since they're dual 4-ohm voice coils, we wire the voice coils on each speaker in series, and that, through this wire, will create an 8-ohm load. Now, when we combine that 8-ohm load for this speaker to that 8-ohm load to this speaker, we get 4 ohms at our main connection, which is exactly where this amp is safe to run. It would be nice if it was a 2 ohm amp and we could just really, or 1 ohm actually, and bridge the crap out of these. But in order to find an amp that would fit in this area, we had to downsize basically this way and this way. But this will do good. This will sound great with this whole system. So I'm gonna finish bolt all this together, and then from there, I guess we'll show the boss man, and then it's off to upholstery. Just a short one today, and that is that. Next time you see this, it'll be a nice beautiful red, and let me get this magnetic cover that goes on here, that'll be on there, upholstered red as well. Yep, it's gonna look really nice in the truck. I think this is gonna be a good sounding system in this one, better sounding than the 69 F100 had.